What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to introduce you to my new Eahora Romeo Pro. Guys, this is a bike that means business. It looks aggressive. This is a fast and fun and very capable bike, guys. For $23.99, I think you're going to be hard-pressed to find a better deal out there. Currently, this has 49 reviews with a rating of 4.8 out of 5 star. It's got a 1200-watt sustained power DC hub motor, and I think it's a maximum about 1400 watts peak, 120 Newton meters of torque. You got 26x4 fat tires, knobby fat tires, all-terrain. It's got a climbing angle of about 30 to 40 degrees. That's pretty significant, guys. You're going to be able to get up just about any hill with this thing. Top speed between 31 and 34 miles an hour for both pedal assist and throttle. I like that. Sometimes, and I hate it when they do this, but sometimes some bikes will only let you get to top speed while you're pedaling. This one gives it to you with the throttle as well. You can expect 104 to 112 miles of range with pedal assist, or if you're going to do throttle only, between 78 and 90, which is actually really, really good. The capacity of this bike is about 330 pounds, so it can hold a lot of weight, guys. The bike itself, she's heavy. She's a big bike, guys. It's a girthy bike. She's big. This bike weighs, you ready for this, 124.6 pounds. Good night. The battery weighs 28 pounds, so you know that makes up for quite a bit of it. It's IPX6, weatherproof, off-road, mountain, urban riding capable. Battery capacity is 2880 watt hours, 48 volt, 60 amp hours. The cell types are lithium-ion pouch cells, grade A, and like I said, 1200 watt motor, 1400 peak, 54.6 volt battery charger, running at about 8 amps. It's a quick charger and will charge this thing in about 6 to 7.5 hours. Now here's something that I don't think I've seen on any other bike that I've reviewed, and that's the rotors. These are not your typical 160, not even 180 millimeter. These are 203 millimeter rotors. The calipers are 4-piston calipers with semi-metallic brake pads, guys. Are you serious? 26x4 fat tires. All right, man, I'm excited. Now, full disclosure, I already took this thing out on a ride. I probably rode it a mile or two the other day. Nick and I took the bikes out, and we were racing and having a good time, man. We were out at night, and one of the things that I love are these big headlights. These big headlights, if you're going to be out riding at night, they're a necessity. Giant projection headlights, not just to be seen, but for seeing down the road. The headlight on this is amazing at night, guys. It does have a brake light as well, tail light, brake light back here, and turn signals in the rear, no turn signals in the front. Of course, like I said, hydraulic brakes. You've got the comfort hand grips. You've got your brights and dims. That's another thing. This has brights and dims. So if you power on the bike, first thing you're going to notice is it greets you with the welcome screen, which you can see in the daytime. Very nice to be able to see the screen. It's going to ask you for a password. The default password for these is 0000. You go into settings. You can change that password to whatever you want once you're logged in. To get into settings, you hold plus and minus simultaneously, and then you'll be into all your settings where you can adjust your password. Yes, this has Bluetooth. You can do a factory reset. Very intuitive. You don't even need an instruction manual for this. You got 5 levels of pedal assist. The screen changes with all of them. You get up to 5, it turns red. It's telling you that we're about the business right now. You got a 7-speed shifter. You got a thumb drive right there. Guys, this bike is crazy. Brights and dims. I've never seen an e-bike that had brights and dims, and they work great. A horn? That's crazy loud, honestly. That's annoyingly loud. Turn signals, left and right. You got them right here. They're not super bright, but they're bright enough. You can see them, and of course, brake light when you hit it. Very nice, guys. And if you want to turn your headlights on, you hold the plus button, give it a second, screen goes dim, and you'll have a bright light. And I'm going to show you those brights now. Can you see it? You see that? I have never seen an e-bike with brights and dims. Also on these 26 by 4 inch fat tires, reflective stripe around the side, guys. So very nice, makes it really visible at night. A huge seat This is a great bike, man. And I can say that because I've already ridden it. Like I said, we took this thing out, went almost 2 miles on it. It is heavy, so be prepared for that. This is not a bike I'd want to have to push. Of course, great suspension front and rear. I didn't mention that, but you got your rear suspension right there, adjustable. And of course, you've got your suspension up here with lockouts and dampening adjustments right there as well. And did I mention how much I love the screen? I don't know how well you guys can see it, but I can see the screen bright as day. And that's here high noon in the heat here in Oklahoma. Why don't we put the camera on the tripod and let's go for a ride. You know the drill, guys. We're gonna take it around all of this gravel. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna hammer on the brakes. I'm gonna do mostly throttle. That's how I typically ride these things anymore, but torque, it's got it. Loose gravel, not a problem. And it's quiet. That's one of the things I really appreciate about this bike. Some of them, they make a lot of noise, man. This one, there's a little bit of a hum from the motor to be expected, but it's not obnoxiously loud, you know what I mean? I'm already doing 19 miles an hour on the loose gravel, no problems at all. Brakes? Wow, wow, yes. She's got all the brakes, guys. She's got all the brakes, lots of torque. I love them. Boy, she just hammers down, man. When you smash on those brakes, the bike just like ducks down and comes to a halt. Those bigger brakes are definitely a worthwhile investment on this bike. So let's take a quick turn. I almost forgot. It's got cruise control. In fact, I didn't almost forget. I did forget. It's got cruise control. I think you got to hold the thumb throttle down for like 6 seconds, maybe 8 seconds. And when you do that, you can let off, and the bike will continue going down the road on its own until you hit the brakes. Once you hit the brakes, the cruise control turns off for you. All right, guys. Obviously, off-road is nothing for this. This is no big deal. This bike eats this stuff for breakfast. It chews it up and spits it out. It's like gravel, give it to me. Guys, I'm doing 24 miles, 25, 26 on gravel. That's a rare occurrence that you're going to see me go that fast on a gravel road, guys. I fell off of a bike at one point on this gravel road, and I'm here to tell you, even going at low speed, it hurts a lot. So for me to be going that fast, I'm telling you, I am very comfortable on this bike. Why don't we take it off-road here? There's a lot of sticks and debris, and let's go over this log. Oh yeah, handled it like it was nothing. Also, this has puncture-resistant tires as well, guys. Let's come to a stop. That's all right. They're brand new brakes, guys, and I hammered on them pretty hard right there. Now we're on the main road. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Is that where we're going to top out? 32, 33. Back down to 32, 33, 34, 35 miles an hour, 6. 36. Yeah, I think we're going to top out. Nope, 37. 38. Almost 39. 37. We're back down again. Yeah, 38 miles an hour top speed. Now going up the hill. 34, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. It held 27 miles an hour going up that steep hill. We're already back over 30 miles an hour again. No joke. 30 miles an hour in this thing. I feel like I could take my hands off the handlebars. In fact, I guess I can. Let me try it for a second. There we go. Yeah. I got no hands, guys. No hands. I know you can. Whoa. All right, put the hands back on. See, with cruise control, you can do that. And it's got a little cruise control icon on the screen that lets you know when cruise is active. This is a quick bike. and very rarely am I comfortable enough to take my hands off the handlebars, and I have never done it on something like this, on these e-bikes. I've never been able to take my hands off the handlebars for as long as I just did, guys. Get back on the road. Big bump right here. Handled it like a boss. Like a boss. This bike is great. All right, I've been on thumb throttle alone. Let's kick the gears down. And we're going to, good Lord, this thing takes off. It's like a banshee, man. This thing just takes off. We're gonna come to a complete stop. All right, complete stop. Let's kick it off. First gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay. So, oh, that was a big bump. I forgot about that one. Let's turn the pedal assist down a little bit. Oh, the pedal assist 5, that's race mode, guys. That's what that is. That is race mode. There we go. We'll turn it, hold on, I need to turn it down a little more. Pedal assist 1. There we go. So in pedal assist 1, I just had a bug hit me in the forehead. Pedal assist 1, 7th gear, about 21 miles an hour, and you're pedaling the air. You know what I mean? Pedal assist 2. Whoa! Oh wow! Okay. This is crazy. This bike is crazy. This is a fast one, guys. This is a fast one. Big bump. Going around this curve. Yeah, I'm going to tell you this. Pedal Assist 5 is not going to be for everybody. All right? It seems that with most of the gears, pedaling is almost... it's not like a workout style pedaling. You know what I mean? It's pedaling is almost like, I'm just going to do this for fun. Not wow. Yeah, because I'm in 7th gear and I just took off. I shouldn't be able to just launch like this in 7th gear. I should have a hard time getting going in 7th gear, right? Not on this bike. The amount of torque that motor's got, it sends you down the road, man, even in 7th gear. And at 22 miles an hour on Pedal Assist 5, I'm literally pedaling thin air right now. I might as well not be pedaling. I don't know if I'm getting any exercise value from pedaling because there's no resistance. I'm phantom pedaling the air. But I can maintain 25 miles an hour pedaling thin air like it's nothing. So I guess there's that. This is fun. This is a lot of fun. I think I found myself a new favorite bike, guys. Damn, 30. Good Lord have mercy. Look at this Bubble Caprice coming up. Damn, we're moving. Wow. This thing, it's insane. Listen, you don't really need to pedal, guys. Not on this one. This one, you could just hit the throttle and go, all right? This is such a blast to ride. This is one I'd like to hold on to. It's that good, guys. It is that good. This is one that I would absolutely hold on to. What a perfect balance. On-road, off-road, comfort, power, performance, top speed. The fact that you can see this display clear as day, even on the brightest of days. Intuitive menu system, Bluetooth connectivity. What do you want, guys? Like, if you were cruise control, right? Cruise control. If you were looking for the perfect bike, well, you found it. You clicked on my video and you found the perfect e-bike. Actually, I found the perfect e-bike. Thank you to Eahora for their Romeo, this thing is a must-have, guys. I hesitate to call it a toy, but it is a very nice and very fun toy. All right, so we made it back. Oh, look, I left the turn signal on. Oops. Man, I love this bike. I really love this bike. We can turn the headlights off. We don't need those on. So let's see where we're at, guys. We rode 6 miles, and we are still at 90% battery capacity. So, yeah, I mean, you can figure that out pretty easily, right? 6 times 10 is 60. So the way I was riding it, which was pretty rough, pretty hard, I definitely wasn't being easy on it. Full throttle, very little in the way of pedal assist, and I should be able to get about 60 miles out of this thing with combined on-road and off-road. I'd say that's pretty good, guys. That's exceptional. This is a bike that I think you're going to really enjoy if you choose to pick one up. I will put a link down below to this. Be sure to check out Eahora and their Romeo line of bikes, guys. They have several other bikes to choose from, but I'm telling you right now, this one has my seal of approval.